Welcome back to Instables again, leading into tomorrow's Fed rate hike. Again, looking at our daily candle structure here, again, sitting just above our symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we will continue to respect our symmetric triangle to the upside as we look for that bullish candle structure above our prior balance here. Will we continue on with this momentum to the upside as our 10 is still above our 21? Again, leading into tomorrow, we will be cautious, but I want to go over exactly which levels we would be looking for to the downside, and if we did continue on higher, what exactly would be that proof of concept to have that continuation. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you guys see here, TIRX, an amazing breakout that we had in the Instables room, again, mentioning just under $4 out the gate here on a spike, again, confirming with our EMA lines crossing back higher here with that increase in buy pressure breaking above, again, our pre-market pressure here, giving us confirmation, again, mentioning under $4, breaking up all the way up to $7.90 on the day, almost 100% here on this break. We mentioned, again, pre-market news before market open, any major levels that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert or any major levels on major movers that you want to be watching. Again, guys, for only $15 a month, we do this for you guys every single day, Monday through Friday, 2.5 hours before market open, any breakout, pre-market into open. Again, you can find this in the description below from this video. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, I wanted to go over our intraday perspective and our swing perspective. Again, coming out of tomorrow's Fed rate hike, we have one of two major moves, again, either to the upside or the downside. What I would be looking for to get that confirmation is not only breaking above our prior balance, making sure that we do, again, get that retest and making sure that we do get that proof of concept with a spike, a retest, and a continuation is what we do want to happen to get confirmation on this possible continuation on higher here to our prior resistance that we have here again at 431. If we can continue on above 431, we do have gaps that we can fill again. If we do continue on with this continuation again above that 431 level here on the weekly chart does have gap downs that we do have room to run to the upside with. So again, that 431 level is going to be a lot bigger of a level to be watching if we do continue on above our prior balance. Again, here on the weekly chart as we sit on a hammer candle from last week, now sitting on consolidation just above our 10 weekly moving average. Very much looking for that proof of concept on the daily chart to continue on higher here. Again, as our EMA lines are crossing above the median of our MACD, looking for that continuation on increases in buy pressure. Again, mentioning yesterday that we were decreasing in buy pressure on the daily chart, now showing on the weekly chart a white shaded line on that possible continuation on decreases in buy pressure. Again, now sitting on one slight increase in sell pressure leading into tomorrow. So again, we are cautious, but very much open to the fact of a possible white shaded line coming into tomorrow, and then looking for that proof of concept on increases in buy pressure with our EMA lines crossing back higher again, our 12 above our 26 to get that possible confirmation. So again, to recap here on our intraday perspective, what I want to happen here is either we do continue on, in my opinion, below 407 for that possible retest here at 403, again, that 407 level intraday. If we're looking at our 30-minute chart, again, we have room to run to the downside if we do continue on above our low of the day from today. And in my opinion, that 403.97, again, just that 404 about at our 0.618 level is what our target would be to the downside. So again, that's what we are looking for to the downside going to tomorrow. But if we do continue on higher, again, looking for proof of concept on the daily chart, looking for that digestion above our 418 level will be that confirmation. Again, possible engulfing candle will give us that continuation possibly to 431. But again, with room to run to the upside here on our weekly chart, again, from our prior gap downs, we do have that possible continuation even higher here at 431 if we do continue on with that proof of concept above our 431 level here to continue on higher. So again, that's our overall intraday swing perspective here. Again, very much sitting above our 10 weekly moving average, looking to see how this candle will close. We are not on an engulfing candle to the downside, so this is not a major sell-off at this point. We are very much on a pullback, even though today it seemed like we were on a major sell-off. We are very much on a pullback, showing here on the weekly chart that we would need to drop still below our 10 weekly moving average, below our 21 weekly moving average as well. And we need our 10 weekly moving average to cross down below our 21 before we did have any major bearish momentum. So at this point in time, looking for that possible proof of concept to continue on higher. Very much going to predicate exactly what Powell mentions and the Feds. We will see exactly what happens. Again, our Fed data comes out tomorrow at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, and then 30 minutes after at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, again, will be our FOMC meeting where many Feds will be speaking. So again, be cautious tomorrow, in my opinion. Now, again, with that said, again, this is my favorite breakout that we had in the Instabulls room today. Again, up 0% at about $1.85, jumping up to $2.30. Again, a very low risk play on news, up 0% pre-market, jumping up 29%. Again, these are the type of pre-market news, major volatile movers as early as you can possibly get them. Again, these are the type of pre-market news movers that we mentioned. Again, I mentioned earlier the major mover that we mentioned on a very key level, on a bounce, continuing on above $5, up to $7.90, almost 100% on the day. Again, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. We will continue to go at it, stay patient, and take what the market gives us as we have been. Definitely make sure we are cautious leading into tomorrow's Fed rate hike. Again, continue to take what the market gives us as we have been. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.